Alright, so welcome back everybody. Hope you're having a great day or great evening. By the title of this video, you will see that I finally got the Nikon Z30 camera. It came in. It was a 2-day shipping that I chose to do, and as you will see, I'm unboxing here, where the first item is the camera itself. So this is how it looks, and this is how the back looks. It has the screen, as you will see, and these are the top features and the side view. And then you will see you get the lithium battery as well, and you also get the strap. So it has the logo for Nikon on there. And I definitely will be using this too, and I'm also going to be purchasing a camera bag, but that will definitely come in handy. This is the lens. I chose to get the one lens kit, so this is the lens that they provided. As you will see, it's sleek. This is how the camera looks on the back. You will see the screen is reversible and it flips to you if you are in front of your camera, so it's definitely an incredible feature, and I know a lot of cameras do that nowadays, but it's super helpful. And this is the area where you put your lithium battery in and your memory card. So the battery is rechargeable, so you would do it from the camera itself. This is how you enter the battery, and then you just snap it closed. So then you're going to turn it on. I had it in the on position before I put the battery in, but I'm going to turn it off, on, and then you will see that when you open up the screen, it will show the language. So just choose your preferred language. It will be English for me, and this cool feature that you see is touchscreen, so it's super helpful. You can also use the dial on the right if you don't want to touch the screen. But the next feature is to choose your time zone. As you will see, there's plenty, so just choose your preferred one. Okay, then you're going to choose your date format. I like to do the month, day, and year, so I'm going to choose the middle one, and that'll be my option. I want to put daylight savings time on, so that would be mine, and then you're just going to put your date and time, and that's going to be the last thing to do before it goes to your settings. So just do that. So I gotta get my memory card inserted, which I will do later, but this is the creator's accessory kit that I also purchased with the Z30 Nikon camera, and at the end I will show you the cost and the YouTuber that recommended this product, so a special thank you to her. But you will see that what you get in this box is the remote control, and everything is nicely packed in here. And then you get the microphone, which has the windshield furry. I was trying to get to the back of it. And it has the cord to hook it to your camera. And you get the tripod, which is super helpful, obviously. So these are the 3 things you get in the kit that are very helpful for creators like myself. So I think this is a good investment to get with the camera itself as well. So the first thing we're going to be unboxing is the tripod, which is by Small Rig, and as you will see, it is bubble wrapped. So it is a short tripod that you get, but I think it is great for being outside and, you know, holding it in your hand. So it has this sleek effect here, and then you see the opening in the front. So I'm going to open it up. It has like the two like tails in the back to stand at an angle, and this clasp at the bottom actually doesn't have anything behind it, but you're gonna see it as I try to open it. I forgot to put that clip in, so I apologize, but it has this adjustable swivel that can tilt the camera forward and backward, and on the sides it actually allows you to position the tripod up as well. Then you will see here I'm unboxing the remote control, which is going to go in that opening as you saw in the front of the tripod, but this is the remote. I actually have like another one of these, not this big, but I got it off of Amazon. It's like 10 bucks, but this is super helpful because it goes with the tripod and your camera itself. Then this is the microphone by Video Micro, and as you will see, this is the furry windshield that is over the microphone itself. I will show you later on what the microphone looks like inside of that, but this is the attachment that will connect from that piece to your camera, so that way it will help with the sound. And then these are the instructions and this little packet that is not necessary. Make sure you sign up for your warranty when you have the opportunity to with these type of products. You know, you spend a lot of money, so I would suggest to do that. But this is how the bottom looks. So you will see it goes on top of your camera. So this is where you put your remote into the tripod, as you can see on the box, and then once you connect it with your camera, it will sync. This is the bottom of the microphone that you're going to install on top of the camera. So all you do is just slide it in, and you'll see it's really simple just to put it into the camera. You'll have to use two hands though, because it is a little bit of pressure you gotta apply. And then it's in like so, nice and secure. This is where you're gonna put in this cord attachment from the camera on your camera where it says mic. You're gonna install it to the back of the microphone, that hole, and that's it. So that's how everything comes together from the kit to your camera. One more thing, if you're inside, you don't need to have the furry windshield attachment over the microphone. It's used for outdoor use, but that's just how it looks inside, so I just wanted to show that here. And this is how everything looks coming together. So a special thank you to Erin on Demand. Definitely check the description for the video link where I learned about this camera from her. And be sure to invest in yourself by making a purchase if you are in need of a new camera like I was, by watching her video and then clicking the link in her description to make the purchase. Alright, so thank you all so much for watching. I will see you on the next video using my new camera, and just stay safe, stay blessed, stay healthy, and drink your water. Alright, peace.